Hello, this is the What Do Those Dots Mean? Video 8. Now, I'm Miss Heidi, and last time we had a mystery song from Glorious Things They Are Spoken. This week we're continuing with our Do in F position. Get my chart here. And so we did all the way up to So last time. Do, do, re, mi, fa, so. So we start on that space. Do, then the line, re, mi, space, line, fa, so. So music, we use every line of space and go right up the alphabet. We only go from A to G, then start over again with A. All right, what if we want to skip? So let's do just the spaces. That would be do, skip re, and go to mi. Do, mi. So here's your do, do, mi. And we skip that re, do. So do, mi again. Do, mi. Now what if we skip fa and go to so, mi, So if you see space, 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 you know you're skipping a letter in the alphabet and you're skipping a note. So we're doing the first note of the scale, the third, and the fifth, and that outlines the chord of the home key. Do, mi, so, mi, do. You may have heard that before. So let me show you. Do, do, mi, so, mi, do. So if we have a song that starts here on the mi, do, mi, do. Got it? All right. That's the interval of a third, by the way, because it's just 1, 2, 3, the third note up, right? And you could also do a third down from this line note, which is the re, to the T. T is the leading tone up to ba, ba, to make a song sound ended. And then that's our T. Do, re, mi, fa, so, do, ti, do. We're in the key of F, so we can get up pretty high for there. But here, go do, re. So do the re, ti, do. I'm sorry, I did the wrong pitch. Re, ti, do, re, ti, do. So the very next note before do is your leading tone. Bum, ba, bum. And everybody would know to clap, right? Okay. All right. So now let's review our mi, fa, so. Do, re, mi. So there's our mi. Mi, fa, so. And let's go backwards. So, fa. Go back to so. So. And the hand position would be so, fa, so. Try that with me. So, fa, so. Even as adults, it makes it a good way to connect. Your brain can connect those pitches by doing a physical motion. So there's our so, fa, so. Now what if we do? If we go down to the mi. So, fa, mi. Let's go back upwards with it. Mi, fa, so. Back down. So, fa, mi. Good. Okay, so those three pitches are what we're going to use on our example this week. Do, mi, so. That gives us the chord of the home key. Puts us in the right frame of mind. So we're not using the do, which would be on the first space. We are using the mi. We're not using the do, re on that line. Then mi, we do use that mi. Fa, we'll use that. fa on the third line, so on third space. So we're starting on so. Let me get closer to you. So here we go. So let's just speak it. Now sometimes the flags go down, the stems. That's because, like I told you before, you don't want them in the way of the words. So we'll start so, fa, mi. Let's just look at those first three. Here's your so, fa, mi. Do it again. So, fa, mi. Now you're going to go up one, so the pitch is going to be one step higher back to the fa. So, fa, mi, fa. And here's your so. So you're going down and back up. So, fa, mi, fa, so. Good. Let's see what happens next. We go down again. But let's look at these. Here, third space note, third line note, second space note, third line note. They're the same, aren't they? So since you already know this one, you can go ahead and sing that one. Here, do, mi, so. Your pitch is so, fa, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, fa. And here's your what? Can you guess? Same as that and that. So. That's the same as your fa, fa. And then two counts each on those. And then so, no, mi for 4 counts. Because it takes up the whole measure. It's called a whole note. Okay, let's sing it all the way through. Here's your do. Now you need to know how to find so from the do, which would be on this space. So if somebody gives you that pitch, then you just go do, mi, so. And here's your so. So, all right, let's read through it one more time first. So, fa, mi, fa. So, fa, mi, fa. So, 2, fa, 2, mi, 2, 3, 4. And this is video 8, by the way, of 2022. Or you might be watching it later and be a different year. Okay, here we go. Don't be so. Let's go all the way through it. All right, you ready? You ready, little ones? So, fa, mi, fa. So, fa, mi, fa. So, 2, mi, 2. I'm sorry, that was fa. So, 2, fa, 2, mi, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Now it gets easier and easier, and you think, oh, I don't know what I'm doing. That's okay. Do it enough times, and one day, oh my gosh, I figured it out. And so then you can go and we do it. So, fa, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, fa, so, 2, fa, 2, mi, 2, 3, 4. And if you're not yet there yet, it's okay. Yeah, so let's do our hymn now. Now the do is right here, the very last note. The last note is frequently the do, because that's your home key, right? And we're in F. Here's the F. And on the keyboard, the F is right before the group of 3 black notes. The black notes are in groups of 2s and 3s. I'll show that where you can see it closer sometime. But here's our do. So then this one, you'll see the do underneath. There's 2 notes here. Just look at the top one. But this is good that you can see the do, mi, and our melody note is the top one, which will be mi. This little sign is on the B line and the flat, and because in the key of F, you use a B flat. Do, re, mi, fa. That fa is flat. So, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, here we go there. Mi, let's just name them. Here's your do, there's your fa, so there's your mi. Mi, mi, do, mi, just that much. Here's your mi, mi, do, mi, do, mi. Good, down 1, 2, Re, re. And here's that T, that leading tone. T, re, do. Now if we do it backwards, you can see how this is do, re. Skip all that. Here, go to that re, mi, do, re, mi. But in between, we're doing that leading tone. Now the leading tone takes you right to the do. Dum, bum. Lots of pieces in that way. So, dum, bum, bum. So everybody knows when to clap then. Okay, so that's our T. When you in the key of F, it's on the first line note. Let's go back to here and just name it. Me, do, mi. Here's your re, and there's that T leading tone. T, re, do. Now let's sing it. Oh, mi. Here's your mi. Look at the top note. Mi, do, mi, re, ti, re, do. Have you heard that before? I'll play it. Yes, oh, I know the melody, I'm not sure what it, blessed be the tie that binds. So now you can sing the words. Blessed be the tie that binds. Let's do it again with the syllables. Mi, do, do. Back to mi, re, re. Our new T leading tone, T, re, do. Now sing the words for fun. Blessed be the tie that binds. Okay, good job. So I will see you next time. Bye-bye.